Hello, welcome back everybody. Just catching y'all up on our Lexxus project. Belongs to a regular customer. Some fine people. The wife slash girlfriend, whatever you want to call it, of R&J Automotive, which is Ron Klinger, who is my mechanic, a mighty fine fellow, and a rarity to find sometimes a honest mechanic. But just a quick video for you guys that are keeping up with this car. If you watched, I think, my very first video when they brought the car over here, one of their concerns was there was a spot right here on this front bumper. It was kind of a circular thing. I'm not real sure what caused it, but once again, it was abraded down into everything, and I had to go back to that 3000 grit that I showed you earlier, and I sanded that spot that was there. I'm not even sure exactly where it was at. I can't find it now, but something had attacked this front bumper. There's some scratches all over it, some deeper ones that will not come out without some further work. That's just a shiny spot, but like right there, there's some deep scratches that are way down in there, almost down to the substrate. So that's not going to completely disappear, but that wasn't the concern. There was a spot, I believe it was right in here somewhere. I can't even find it now. But anyway, what I did, I went ahead and wet sanded that spot, got rid of that, and then I just lightly hit this whole section here so that it would all blend and look the same, and did some of this. Then I went back with a medium pad on a smaller 3-inch dual action buffer. You see the gray pad there? It's the same pad as I used on the door. It's just a smaller version of it with that Griot's fast correcting cream. Did all that, buffed it for just a couple of minutes. Then I switched to a black, very soft polishing pad with that Sonax Perfect Finish. Went over it real quickly again, and whatever that was is gone. I can't even find it at all now. Not even here, getting right up on it and looking with my naked eye, trying to catch the light just right. I can't even find exactly where it was at. So anyway, just catching you guys up. Thank you very much. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs down. If you got a question, or if your car has a similar problem, you want to know how to get rid of it yourself, give me a shout, y'all. Okay, bye-bye.